Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering all required tools on a flat surface within reach. Use clippers with guard 2 for 1/4 inch and guard 3 for 3/8 inch to control length. Also set aside scissors, a comb, and a hand mirror for visibility. Stand with a mirror and a hand mirror to see the back clearly before you begin. Comb wet hair downward and mark a guideline where the neck meets the head with a clip or light comb stroke. Begin at the neckline and work upward toward the guideline using the clippers. Work upward from the neckline with short, upward strokes using 1/4 inch guard to remove bulk. Hold your head slightly forward and keep clippers flat against the skull for even cutting. Move one side to the other in overlapping passes to maintain consistency. Create a horizontal guideline at the occipital bone for consistent height control and check symmetry, often with the hand mirror. After establishing the lower length, switch guards to blend into longer hair up top. Switch to guard 3 for a longer blend at the crown and sides so transitions look smooth. Use scissors over comb to refine irregular spots and remove 3 mm uneven hairs along the guideline. Cross-check both sides and the crown with mirrors to ensure balance. Finish by shaving the neckline clean with a razor or trimmer and applying light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.